Welcome to School Robot Tutorials. In this section of video, we are going to be looking at how to set or add academic duration. So talk of academic duration, some schools do run the term durations, others do the semester duration, and others even do the trimester duration. So we are going to be looking at the procedures that we have to go through in adding our term durations, semester or trimester on the system. Okay, so the first step is to get to your menu portal and then select the settings tab to proceed. Okay, so as we can see, we're on the menu portal, so we click to select the settings. Okay, and then we proceed to user and system settings. Okay, and then we also click to select the purpose bill and other academic settings. Okay, so on this interface, we'll go to the menu, the left hand side of the screen where the menu items are arranged vertically. We browse through the list of menu items to select the add school durations. So you click to select the add school duration, and then you come to the duration description box to input the duration that you want to add. So let's say if the school is running the termly duration, you just have to put term here. Good. So if term is the only duration that is being run by all the departments of the school, you can just leave it like that. But then if some of the departments of the school are also doing or running the semester durations, you can as well add it. So you can have semester for other departments. Yes. So after we have added the durations like this, it is now that we are going to determine which of these is applicable to a particular department at the academic settings side of the system. All right. So this is the simple steps that you have to go through to add our durations, academic durations on School Robot. Thank you so much and keep enjoying School Robot. Stay blessed. Bye.